Oh my god, I found a shotgun. Where did you find the shotgun? Tell me, or else I will stick this in your mouth. Tell me. Tell me. Where's the shotgun? Where's the shotgun? It's hunger mode. But this is hunger mode. How is the shotgun here? It's handgun mode. You can't buy the shotgun in handgun mode. There's no weapons. Dude. Ah! What's wrong with this? It's illegal. It's illegal. Illegal. It's illegal, very illegal. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and also shout out to Andrew Bird for helping me make this video. I appreciate it so much, actually, Andrew Bird. Thank you for helping me make this video. Actually, this was a true thing. Actually, it was here. It was here in the grass. Over here. It was in the grass right now. See, you saw it right now. You saw the look. Buy working shotgun. In handgun mode, you can buy something. You can't buy the things. You can buy the weapons, but you can buy free things. But there's nothing here, and there you can't use it actually. Thank you, Andrew Bird, for actually just helping me make this video. I appreciate it a lot. Have a nice day. This was a short video. I will start making more shorter videos and more shorter videos because I'm too lazy to just make videos today. Actually, no, I won't actually just make, because clearly I'm too lazy. And clearly this game is entirely meme game. And this character just got it right now. Hope you enjoy and have a nice day.